Hi guys, welcome back to Nymation. In this video I am going to show you how to make a paper aeroplane that flies over 50 meters. This is what it looks like. I am going to show you how to fold it. So grab a piece of paper and let's get folding. First fold it in half. Then unfold it. Next, fold the corners down like this. Then fold the top down, leaving about 2.5 centimeters at the bottom. Fold the corners in again, then unfold them. Then fold the edges to the crease you just made. Next, fold the bottom tab up. Then fold it in half. Now fold the wings so that they just cover the body, then about 1 centimeter further. And now, as John Collins said, a lot of people think they can't fold a good paper aeroplane, but they just can't adjust a good paper aeroplane. So let's adjust. Curve the wings so that the middle of the wings is level, and the tip is at about 60 degrees, now at a bit of up elevator. Now it's ready to fly.